Namaskar to all of you, and this is the second day practice of our protocol for dashboarding category. And this is for the lower body micro exercises. The practice will start with the three Omkars with Chin Mudra, followed by prayer. The prayer is universal prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunam. And then we will start our practice. The first practice, toes bending. दोनों पांव सामने लीजिए, थोड़ा चेयर में सामने आइए, heels on the ground, दोनों पांव सीधा रखिए. And now inhale and bend your toes. Exhale and back stretch. Inhale and bend, exhale and back stretch. Repeat 5 to 10 times, depending on your capacity. After 5 to 10 times over, stop the practice and relax. थोड़ा आराम करें. Next practice, ankle stretch, ankle joint stretch. दोनों पांव सीधा लीजिए. Now inhale and stretch your both ankles forward. Exhale and stretch it back. Inhale forward, exhale backward. Feel the stretch in your ankle joint, calf muscles, knee joint, thigh muscles, and in your feet. सांस को लेते समय सामने स्ट्रेच करना है, छोड़ते समय पीछे. 5 to 10 times, and then stop it. Next practice, knee joint stretch. सीधा बैठिए. If required, you can take support of the back. And now raise the right leg up, hold the right knee from inside. This is the zero position. Now inhale and stretch your leg forward. Exhale and bend it down. Inhale, stretch, exhale down. And repeat this practice 5 to 10 times. Inhale, stretch, exhale forward. Stop it. And now same thing with the left leg. Hold the left knee from inside. Inhale and stretch. Exhale and down. Repeat it 5 to 10 times. Inhale, stretch, exhale down. And stop it after 5 to 10 times. Relax for a while. Next practice, butterfly stretch. दोनों पांव को थोड़ा चेयर में सामने आना पहले, उसके बाद दोनों घुटनों को फैला के रखना. दोनों हाथ घुटनों के ऊपर. Now first inhale and press your knees together. Exhale and take it out. सुकुमार थोड़े feet नजदीक में रखो. Knees apart but feet inside. थोड़ा अंतर. हाँ, correct. That is right position. So inhale and inside, exhale and outside. And repeat this. Butterfly stretch sitting on the chair for 10 to 20 times. And stop the practice. Next practice is the sit-up. सीधा बैठिए अपने चेयर पर. Let the hand be hanging down. थोड़ा सामने आके बैठिए. Hand be hanging down. हाथ नीचे ढीला छोड़िए. Now without support, come up and stand up. And down. So inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat 5 to 10 times. And then relax. Relax. Decline your back on the chair back. आराम से बैठिए. And now we will chant the sound akar 3 times. Inhale deeply. Feel the akar vibration in the lower part of your body. शरीर के निचले भाग में आकार के ध्वनि कंपन अनुभव करें. 3 बार इस ध्वनि को करना है. Relax and cool down your system. After complete relaxation, we'll start the practice of pranayam. Sit erect again. And now we'll do single nostril Kapalabhati. Close the right nostril and Kapalabhati through left nostril 10 times. Exhale forcefully. Inhale passively. After completion of 10 rounds, close the left nostril and do the same with the right nostril. राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से 10 बार पूरे होने के बाद में थोड़ा आराम करें. And repeat one more round from right and left nostril. First close the right nostril and from left side 10 strokes. After 10 strokes over, close the left nostril and do with the right nostril 10 strokes. And then relax. Allow the system to cool down. And now Sukha Pranayam. 3 मुद्रा में हाथ रखना है. गहरी सांस लेंगे और गहरी सांस को छोड़ेंगे. Inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale slowly and deeply. Inhale slowly and deeply using your full capacity. पूरी क्षमता के साथ सांस लेनी है और छोड़नी है. After 10 rounds, stop the practice. Now we'll do 3 times Omkar sound. Inhale deeply. Feel the Omkar sound. Omkar sound also called the Udgit Pranayam. Prolong your Omkar as long as you can. Feel the vibrations of Omkar throughout the body. Feel the beautiful effect of yoga practice and pranayam. Recognize the state of silence. And we repeat our sankalpa 5 times with a deep trust in our heart. मैं पूरी तरह से स्वस्थ एवं आनंदी हूँ. I am completely healthy and happy. इस संकल्प को अपनी अपनी भाषा में 5 बार गहरी श्रद्धा से रिपीट करना है। And then we will conclude our session. नमस्कार मुद्रा। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Rub your palms and give nice palming to your eyes before opening your eyes. Relax. And we'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Namaskar. Namaskar to all, and this is our 3rd day practice, and today we will emphasize more on the breathing and loosening exercises, and all our practice will start with the 3 Omkars, with the 3 Omkars deeply and slowly adopting Chin Mudra, followed by a universal prayer, Om Sahana Bhavatu, in Namaskar Mudra. So let us Namaskar Mudra, and we'll have a universal prayer all together. Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai, तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु, मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Chalo, we'll start our practice of today's session with the breathing, hand in and out breathing. सीधा बैठिए, पहले हाथ सामने, palms touching to each other. Now slowly inhale and spread your hands horizontally parallel to ground, back side. Inhale and bring it forward. Sorry, exhale and bring it forward. So inhale and spread it out. Exhale and forward. And do it as slow as possible with your own capacity. 5 times, or if time permits, 10 times. Exhale and stop the practice. Breathing exercises has to be done very slowly depending upon one's own capacity. Next practice, hand stage breathing. Interlock your fingers. Now inhale and stretch your hands forward. Exhale and back on your chest. Inhale and stretch it forward. Exhale and back on your chest. This is at the horizontal level on 90 degrees. 5 times. After 5 times over, we have to stop forward. The next level is a 135 degrees. Inhale and stretch it to 135 degree level. It's called also diagonal level. So inhale and stretch. Exhale and down on your chest. Inhale and stretch, exhale and down on your chest. Repeat it 5 times. After that, stop the practice. And the third level, 180 degree or vertical level. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale and down. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale and down. And repeat it 5 times. After that, relax. Whenever we say relax, we have to decline our back on the chair back, palms on the thighs and spread your legs. This is the position for relaxation. And now next is a back bending stage. Sit erect, but your lower back should be touching the chair at the back side. Lower back touching the chair. Spine erect, knees parallel to each other, maybe little gap, palms on your thighs. This is zero position. Now inhale, raise the hands up and bend back. Exhale and come straight. Place your palms on the knees. Inhale up and stretch back. Exhale, come forward and place your palms on the thighs. And repeat this 5 to 10 times. Okay, and now afterwards stop the practice. If required, relax forward. So we have to judge the participant and accordingly give the instruction, either relax or stop the practice. Stop the practice means we have to stop the practice, but our position is a zero position. Relaxation means we have to decline our back, legs straight, palms on the thighs. Next practice is a forward bending. थोड़ा चेयर में सामने आइए. Just come little forward on your chair. Spread your knees. दोनों घुटनों को फैला के रखिए. Spread your knees. Little more, little more. Spread your knees. Knees. पाँव को नीचे से मत फैलाना ज़्यादा. Spread your knees. घुटनों को फैलाओ. Correct. Now place your palms on the knees. First inhale and stretch your back. Exhale and bend forward from lumbar region. Look forward. सामने देखिए. So inhale and back. Exhale and bend forward, but neck should be straight. And bend to your maximum capacity. नीचे पाँव भी थोड़ा फैलाओ सुकुमार. Yeah, correct. Okay. Exhale and bend forward. Inhale and up. This is how you have to repeat it 5 to 10 times. After the practice over, stop for a while, or if you require, you can relax. Next practice is a side bending. Come again in zero position. सीधा बैठिए. थोड़ा सा पीछे में गैप रख के सामने बैठिए. थोड़ा सामने आइए. थोड़ा सा. Spine erect. Spread your hands horizontal. This is the zero position. Now first inhale. While exhaling, bend to right. Left hand straight up. Palm facing forward. Twist your neck up. ऊपर देखिए. Inhale and come up. Exhale and bend to left side. Right hand straight up. Right palm forward and look towards the right palm. Inhale and come up. And repeat this 5 to 10 times. 5 rounds. Right and left together is 1 round. 5 rounds we have to repeat it. And after completion of 5 rounds, come up and then stop the practice and relax for a while. Next practice is a spinal twist. Sit again straight, little gap, थोड़ा सामने आके बैठिए. And then raise your hands forward, parallel to ground. This is zero position. Now first inhale, and while exhaling, twist to right side. Hold the back by your right hand, and the right hand of the right chair by your left palm, and twist your spine maximum back. Inhale and come forward, हाथ सामने सीधा. Then exhale and twist back. Hold the chair back by your left palm, right palm on the left hand of your chair, and twist your spine. Look over the left shoulder, maximum. Come straight with inhalation, and repeat this. Exhale and twist. Inhale and come forward. Exhale and twist to left. Inhale and come forward, and repeat this 5 rounds. Right and left together is 1 round. And after this, stop the practice and relax. ये सारे प्रैक्टिस बिल्कुल आराम से करना है, along with the slow or moderate breathing, without giving any jerks to our spine or the back muscles. And now next practice is the Pavan Muktasana. Again, come straight. You can take support of the chair back if required from lower side. Now first is the hold the right knee, pull it up and press it. If possible, place your foot on the chair. दाहिना पांव कुर्सी पर रखिए. Now inhale and stretch your neck back side. Exhale and bend it forward. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward, and repeat this 5 times. After 5 times, release your legs and relax for a while. And now same thing with the left knee. Hold the left knee, pull it up, place the left foot on the chair if possible. And now inhale and stretch your legs back. Exhale and bend forward. Give maximum pressure to your abdomen by exhaling, by coming down. So after 5 rounds, stop the practice and then relax. थोड़ा आराम करें. And the next practice is the hold the both knee. दोनों घुटने पकड़ी. Pull it up. Hold it. Now inhale and stretch the neck back. Exhale and forward. अभी ये अभ्यास सभी लोगों को संभव नहीं हो सकता है. So teacher can judge who can do this practice. Let them do it. As such, there is no contraindication. लेकिन old age can be the contraindication. तो उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. अगर तकलीफ होता है तो ये अभ्यास करने नहीं देना है. So only single leg Pavan Muktasana, and then relax for a while. थोड़ा आराम कीजिए. Pull down the whole system. Relax. At the end of when we relax, we can give relaxation. Simple Shavasana instruction. Observing the abdominal movement. Then associate the movement with the breathing. And that's all. It may be for 1 minute or 2 minutes. And now next practice we will go for pranayama. Pranayama, we have to come to sit straight, and we'll start our pranayama practice with the single nostril Kapalabhati. Today we will do 20 strokes by left nostril and 20 strokes by right nostril. These strokes करते हैं. From left nostril 20 strokes and from right nostril 20 strokes. 1 second, 1 stroke. We should not forget the speed of our stroke. And after completion of Kapalabhati, stop the prayer. And today we will introduce Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam to all participants. But before that we will do Sukha Pranayam. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale slowly and exhale smoothly. If possible, you can add the ratio for inhalation exhalation. The ratio can be 4 seconds inhalation and 6 seconds exhalation, or 6 seconds inhalation and 10 seconds exhalation. Only thing is, our exhalation should be longer than inhalation. So 4 second inhalation or 6 second exhalation or 8 second exhalation. If ratio is not possible, let us have only deep breathing as per the individual capacity. And do this Sukha Pranayama for 1 minute. If time permits, go for 2 minutes. And today we will introduce the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama to our practitioners. For Nadi Shuddhi, we have to take the Nasika Mudra. First 2 fingers should be closed, that is the index and middle finger. Thumb is open and last 2 fingers are open. Now close the right nostril. Inhale to left nostril completely. After complete inhalation, close the left nostril and exhale by right nostril. Inhale to right nostril, close the right nostril and exhale to left nostril. And this is the 1 round. And repeat 3 rounds of Nadi Shuddhi. And we have to keep our breathing as slow as possible while doing the Nadi Shuddhi. And with full of our mind. पूरे ध्यान से इस अभ्यास को हमको करना है. And after Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, we will go for 5 rounds Omkar sound, that is called Udgit Pranayam. Inhale deeply. We have to prolong the humming sound more than 50% of our breathing. After repetition of 5 rounds of Omkar sound, feel the beautiful silence, recognize it, effect of yoga practice, and repeat the resolution 5 times. I am completely healthy and happy. मैं पूरी तरह से स्वस्थ एवं आनंदी हूँ. इस संकल्प को अपनी अपनी भाषा में 5 बार गहरी श्रद्धा के साथ दोहराओ. We have to repeat this resolution 5 times with deep trust on our Almighty. And then we have to close our session, adopting Namaskar Mudra and chanting universal prayer, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. And thank you. Open your eyes with the palming and these two blinking. Namaskar to all. And this is our 4th day practice. And this practice is basically for the shoulder joint and to our lower body, that is abdomen, and to our pelvic region organs. As usual, our practice starts with the 3 Omkars, and this is Chin Mudra for 3 Omkars, followed by prayer Om Sahana Bhavatu. And then the practice starts. First is the shoulder stretching, vertical. Come in 0 position, that is cross your hands. Cross your hands. By right palm, place it on the left elbow, and left palm, place it on the right elbow. And keep the position in the down. Now inhale and stretch up. Inhale and stretch your shoulders up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And stop it up to 5 to 10 times. अगर कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट को दोनों हाथ एक साथ करना अगर संभव नहीं है तो दे कैन गो सेपरेटली बाय अल्टरनेटली. You can see me how I am doing it. This is the position we have to hold. And now inhale and stretch up. Exhale and then left hand. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale and down. Inhale up and then left hand. So this is our single leg, single hand shoulder stretch. अगर दोनों हाथ संभव नहीं है तो एक एक हाथ से हम इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं. Next is the shoulder stretching horizontal. Again hold up hands in the same position. Right palm on the left elbow and left palm on the right elbow. And keep the both hands parallel to ground. Now first inhale. And while exhaling, stretch your right shoulder. Inhale and come straight. Exhale and stretch your left shoulder. Inhale and come forward. All the time you have to keep your hands parallel to ground. And give beautiful stretch. Horizontal stretch. And after 5 rounds over, stop it. इसमें भी अगर दोनों हाथ संभव नहीं है तो एक एक हाथ के द्वारा में कर सकते हैं. We can hold like this and then stretch. So exhale and stretch. Inhale and forward. And दूसरा हाथ. तो एक ही हाथ से 5 बार करके दूसरे हाथ से 5 बार करना. One hand 5 times and then go for the second hand 5 times. अगर दोनों हाथ एक साथ संभव नहीं है तो आप सिंगल हैंड स्ट्रेचिंग भी कर सकते हैं. थर्ड स्ट्रेचिंग फॉर द शोल्डर इज द गोमुखासन शोल्डर स्ट्रेच. नाउ सिट इरेक्ट. थोड़ा सामने आके बैठिए. और नाउ टेक द राइट हैंड अप, फोल्ड इट डाउन एंड टच योर राइट अपर बैक. एंड फ्रॉम डाउन, left hand take it onto your back Hold it for some time. And then change the position. Now left hand up and right hand back. Calm down. Look up. गर्दन को सीधा रखिए. Hold it for a couple of seconds. And then again change the position. Wherever there are stretching, we have to hold it for a couple of seconds. It may be shoulder stretch or the back stretch or the neck stretch. Couple of seconds हमको hold करने के लिए कहना है उसको. After 5 rounds, we have to stop it. And relax. And next is a spiral rotation of hand. सीधा बैठे बिल्कुल. दाहिना हाथ raise it to horizontal. Only right hand. Palm facing the right side. There is an angle between palm and your hand, that is at the wrist joint. And now rotate spirally right hand clockwise and keep on increasing the circle. Maybe in the 3 or 4 levels you can increase your circle up to the optimum level. And once you achieve the optimum level, in the same direction start reducing, not anti-clockwise. In the same direction reduce the circle. Keep on reducing the circle and come to an halt. Hold it. And now anti-clockwise. Start rotating anti-clockwise and increase the circle. Go to the maximum level. And after achieving maximum level, start reducing the circle in the same direction. Same direction. Reduce the circle and come to an halt. Hold it for some time and then relax. Lower down your hand. Now same thing from left hand. Raise the left hand. Spine erect, look forward. Now spiral movement of the left hand clockwise first. Keep on increasing the circle. Clockwise, go to the maximum level of your circle and then start reducing it in the same direction and come to an halt. Zero position. And then anti-clockwise. Keep on rotating spiral way and increasing your circle. The size of circle. Go to the maximum level and then start reducing it. Reduce, reduce, reduce and come to zero position and relax. This is called spiral movement or rotation of our hand. Relax for a while. And in relaxed position, we can have the sound of makar. Inhale deeply. Three times this sound we have to produce and feel the vibration. Next practice is the abdominal breathing with the chin mudra. Come straight, सीधा बैठे बिल्कुल, हाथ chin मुद्रा में रखिए और सांस लेते समय पेट को बाहर लाना है. Inhale and bulge out your abdomen. Exhale and sink it inward. सांस लेते समय पेट बाहर लाना है, सांस छोड़ते समय पेट को भीतर लेना है. So exhale and out, inhale and in, and repeat this breathing 5 rounds initially. On the subsequent days, we can go for 10 rounds. Whenever we introduce any new practice, it has to be 60% of repetition. And next, maybe after 2-3 days, we have to go for the maximum repetition. And maximum repetition for the student category is the 10 rounds only of any practice. After that, abdominal breathing with chin mudra, relax. Now let us go for the Vayu Mudra breathing. Adha Vayu Mudra. This is the Vayu Mudra. Your index finger inside and overlap with the thumb, press it inside and last 3 fingers open. Okay, sit back on your chair. And this also we have to do deep and slow breathing using the Vayu Mudra. Vayu Mudra is helpful to control the gases. This is a regular problem in the old age. So one can do this Vayu Mudra breathing in Vayu Mudra, 5 rounds or 10 rounds. If the counting the round is difficult, set the timing, 1 minute, 2 minutes. And then stop the practice. Next practice is Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra is a contraction of our anus. मलद्वार को हम contract करते हैं. And this is good to strengthen our bladder, prostate, genital organs, and pelvic region, different small sensitive organs. So we have to inhale first, and while exhaling, contract the anus, pull the anus up, hold it for a couple of seconds. Inhale and relax the contraction. Exhale and contract your anus, pull it up and hold it for a couple of seconds. Inhale and relax it. And give full contraction to your maximum capacity and hold it. Exhale and contract, hold it for a couple of seconds, inhale and relax, and repeat this 5 to 10 times. And whenever you do the last round of this Ashwini Mudra, hold it for some more time, maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And this holding the contraction of anus is called Moola Bandha. So exhale, pull the anus up and hold the breath outside for 5 to 10 seconds. And now inhale and relax. So Ashwini Mudra can be followed by Moola Bandha. And then relax. Next is, after sufficient relaxation, next practice is the Agnisar Kriya. थोड़ा सामने आके बैठिए. Spread your knees. पाँव नजदीक लीजिए, पाँव को सामने मत लो. नजदीक माने चेयर के नजदीक. परफेक्ट. Spread your knees. हाथ घुटनों के ऊपर. थोड़ा सा सामने झुकना है, हल्का सा झुकना है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं. And now first inhale. Exhale through mouth and hold the breath and flap your abdomen. Abdomen को अंदर बाहर flap करना. It may be not too rapidly and not too slow. By holding the breath outside, we have to flap our abdomen in and out, in and out. Maybe 10 to 20 times. One can repeat this abdominal movement by holding the breath outside. And stop it. And same Agnisar Kriya can be repeated for 2 rounds. This is the 1 round. And then subsequently 2nd round. After this Ashwini Mudra, Agnisar Kriya 2 rounds over, we have to go for Uddiyan Bandha. In Uddiyan Bandha, what we have to do is, we have to sit straight, exhale and suck your abdomen inward, place your palms on the knees and with the pressure, pull your abdomen inward. जितना संभव उतना पेट की मांसपेशियों को अंदर में खींचिए. By exhaling and holding the breath outside. And hold this abdomen inside for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And with slow inhalation, release the abdominal wall. सांस को लेते समय पेट को धीरे धीरे ढीला करना. And repeat this Uddiyan Bandha maybe 2 rounds. Relax. After relaxation, we will do Kapalbhati, single nostril Kapalbhati, from left nostril 20 strokes, from right nostril 20 strokes. And then stop the practice and relax for a while. After Nadi Shuddhi, after Kapalbhati single nostril oval, we have to do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Slow inhalation and slow exhalation. Inhale slowly and exhale smoothly. Inhale to left nostril, exhale to right nostril. Inhale to right nostril and exhale to left nostril. And repeat Nadi Shuddhi for 2 minutes, or if time permits, 3 minutes. In Nadi Shuddhi, breathing should be slow and deep and with no sound. And today we will introduce one more pranayam, that is Bhramari pranayam. Head of chin mudra. Your lips should be gently closed, eyes closed, and place your tip of the tongue behind the upper palate teeth. Behind the teeth on upper palate. And now inhale deeply, and while exhaling, produce the sound of Bhramari. And we have to produce the sound vibrations in normal pitch. Not too slow, not too low, and not too high. In moderate or the normal pitch, we have to produce the Bhramari initially with a 5 rounds. And feel the vibrations of Bhramari in our chest, throat, face and the head region. And after Bhramari, again Omkar sound, 5 rounds, Udgit Pranayam. The humming of Omkara should be more than 50% of your breathing. After Omkar sound, feel the beautiful silence, effects of the practice, and repeat our sankalpa. I am completely healthy and happy. मैं पूर्णतः स्वस्थ एवं आनंदी हूँ। इस संकल्प को अपनी अपनी मातृभाषा में 5 बार गहरी श्रद्धा के साथ रिपीट करेंगे। And then we'll close our session offering our salutation to Almighty. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Give a nice palming to your eyes before opening. Open your eyes with a few blinking. Namaskar to all. And today's practice is the loosening and strengthening practices with the support of the chair or with the support of the wall or the table, or maybe any nearby person can give support. So the practice starts as usual with the 3 Omkars in Chin Mudra, followed by prayer Om Sahana Bhavatu. And the first practice is the ankle rotation. We have to stand, take the support of chair or the wall, and raise the right leg up and rotate your ankle joint clockwise, anti-clockwise 10 times. And same thing with the left leg. Clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise 10 times. And then stop it. Support लेके थोड़ा सा आराम से खड़े रहिए. Second practice is the Trikonasana with the chair support. Put the chair in this way, or maybe stool, and now spread your legs, spread your hands. First inhale, exhale and bend to right side and place your right palm on the chair. Left hand straight up and hold it. One can take support of the little height, maybe on stool. The chair height is almost 1.5 feet. One can take support of the stool, maybe have 2 feet height or 1 feet height, depending upon individual balancing strength. Slowly come up and then take the hands down. Relax. Same thing from other side. Spread the legs, spread the hands. First inhale, and while exhaling, bend to left side. Right hand straight up. Look up and hold this position. Maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And then slowly come up. Lower down the hands and bring the legs closer. Relax for a while. If person is finding difficult relaxing in standing posture with the support, they can sit on the chair and relax. Next practice is the Vrikshasana. Take the support of the chair. First on the right foot. Take the right foot up. There are 3 levels. One is place the right foot on the left ankle joint. This is the one level, and raise the right hand up. Right hand up. दाहिना हाथ ऊपर उठाइए. Yeah, this is the position. And hold it. Take the hand down and release the leg. Second level, Raise the foot on the knee joint level, knee joint, and raise the hands up and hold it. This is second level. Take the hand down and then leg down. And third level is place the feet at the groin and now raise the hands up. Hold it. And take the hands out. The person is having a paralysis or maybe Parkinson, they can go only up to the ankle joint level, but with the external support, maybe with the manpower. Same thing we have to repeat from the other side. At the ankle joint, the knee joint, and then at the groin. This is Vrukshasana. One can maintain it 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. धीरे धीरे उस टाइम ड्यूरेशन को बढ़ाने का लिए प्रयास करना है, मोटिवेट करना है. नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस is Utkatasana with wall support. You have to go closer to wall. दोनों पाँव में 1 फीट का अंतर, ज्यादा नहीं अंतर रखना, only 1 feet. And then your heels and wall will have around 1 feet distance. And now slowly come down along with the wall. हाथ को नीचे रखिए. Take the hands down. Just take it down and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come up. And this can be repeated for maybe 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. Okay. So there are level of this coming down. One is a 1/4 level, and second is the 1/2 level. Bringing the thighs completely parallel to ground. That is 2 levels. One is the 1/4 level, and one is the 1/2 level. Okay. This is Utkatasana with wall support. Relax. Relax with the support of the wall in standing posture. And now Parshvattanasana. Stand along in front of the wall, maybe 2 feet gap, 2.5 feet gap. Place your palms on the wall. This is the position. So कुमार थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ तो. Now first you have to inhale and stretch your back side. Stretch your back side. Bhujangasana. Yeah, this is inhalation. And now exhale and bend forward. Bring the back parallel to ground. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and back, your lower back, your hip joint, your legs. Now inhale, come up and push your spine down. Exhale, bend down. Inhale up. This is called Parshvattanasana with wall support. 5 or 10 repetitions. And if you wanted to hold it, you can hold it the last round, maybe 2 seconds or 5 seconds. And relax. Relax with wall support. Next practice is the wall support Chaturanga. There is a gap around 2 feet, not more than 2 feet, maybe less than 2 feet. Now first inhale, and while exhaling, go down. Inhale and come up. Exhale and place your chest on the wall, chest or the chin on the wall. Inhale and up. So exhale and push towards the wall. Inhale and come against the wall. So exhale and push, inhale and come up. This is called the wall support chaturanga or plank position, or wall support push-up. Any name you can call it. Relax with the wall support or the chair support. Now next is the Trikonasana leg stretching. चेयर का मुंह तुम्हारे साइड में लो. You have to place the one foot on the chair. Leg on the chair. One leg on the chair. Correct. Come straight. Legs should be straight. Both legs should be straight. Come little this side. Increase the gap. Yeah, your right. Correct. This is the position. Place the right palm on the right knee. Raise the left hand up. Left hand up. And now exhale and bend to right. And hold it for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Inhale and come up. Take the hand down. And then leg down. So this practice also can be with the support of chair or external manpower. Same thing with the left side. Left leg on the chair, raise the right hand up and bend to left side and hold it. It's a Trikonasana leg stretching, and this particular practice is good for the back pain, sciatica, varicose vein, and slowly come up. Take the hand down and relax. If maintaining the position is not possible, then you can go for repetition, maybe 3 times, 5 times, only repetition. Then relax with the support of chair or wall. If standing posture relaxation is not possible, then go for sit on the chair and relax. Next practice, Virabhadrasana or warrior pose. सर दोनों पांव एक साथ रखिए. Take the right leg forward. Bend the right knee and raise the left hand up. And stretch back. And maintain this position. One can take support by chair or table or wall. और कोई आदमी अगर पास में है तो one person can give support. Maintain it for 5 minutes, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and then slowly take the hand down, knee straight, and relax. Same thing from other side. Take the left leg forward. And hold this position, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And slowly come up. Take the hand down, come straight, and relax with the wall support or chair support. Again, I am repeating, if the standing posture relaxation is not possible or tiresome, one can sit on the chair and relax. Next practice is the walking on the line. रूम में एक लाइन चॉक पिच से हमको बना के रखना है, स्ट्रेट लाइन, और देयर में भी ए लाइन, natural line when the two tiles are together. On that line we have to walk it like a catwalk. Walk it without losing the balance. If required, they can take support of the wall or maybe stick in the hand. But whenever it is required, they only keep the stick on the ground. Otherwise, it should be without balance, without any support, I mean. A person can be give moral support by standing beside the person who is doing the practice. And this particular practice is good for the generally very old person who are not having a proper balance. It strengthens our nervous system. So maybe 3 to 5 meters one can walk up, forward and backward. Second practice, the same practice, only thing we have to keep one book on the head and walk on the line without allowing the book fall down. This also is very good for the balancing system, balancing nervous system, and very helpful for the old age people, those particularly having the weak nervous system. So one can give moral support by standing beside the person who is doing the practice. And then stop the practice. Relax, sit on the chair. Relax and cool down the whole system. After this practice, we can go for single nostril Kapalabhati, 20 strokes each. After the single nostril Kapalabhati, from both nostrils, relax for a while. And then go for Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Slow inhalation, slow exhalation with no sound by alternate nostrils. We have to start Nadi Shuddhi by exhaling through left nostril, inhale through left nostril, exhale to right, inhale to right, and by exhaling through left nostril, we have to stop the Nadi Shuddhi. It can be done 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And followed by Brahmari Pranayam, 5 round Brahmari, and we have to focus to prolong the sound of Brahmari as much as you can. It may be 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds. By every week, the duration of Brahmari need to expand, and is directly related to lung capacity. And followed by Omkar sound, 3 to 5 rounds. Omkar sound, where humming sound is more than 50% of the exhalation. And we have to feel the vibration. After Omkar sound of 5 rounds, recognize the beautiful relaxation. Maintain yourself in the silence for a few seconds. And then repeat our sankalpa. I am completely healthy and happy. मैं पूर्णतः स्वस्थ एवं आनंदी हूँ. इस संकल्प को 5 बार हम दोहराएंगे पूरी श्रद्धा के साथ. And then we have to close our session with offering salutation to Almighty with the prayer Sarve Bhavantu Sukhitaha. And rub your palms, give a nice palming to the eyes. Light massage on the face, upper body and the lower body, and open up your eyes with a few blinking. And namaskar. We'll meet again tomorrow at same time. Thank you. Now the next practice is lying down on the ground or lying down on the respective bed. It's a supine posture practice. So we have to request all the participants can be lie down on the chair, or lie down on the bed, or on the respective bed. And this is the position for relaxation. That is Shavasana. Legs apart, hands away from the body, eyes and lips gently closed. And then we have to produce the 3 rounds of Omkar sound by adopting Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra. And now Namaskar Mudra. And we'll have the prayer, starting prayer, Namaskar Mudra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Sarvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Drop the hands down. The first practice, hand in and out breathing. Raise your hands up, both palms together. Now inhale and spread your hands, bring it on the ground horizontally. Inhale and up. Sorry, exhale and up. Inhale and down. Exhale and up. All the 5 fingers together. And repeat it 5 to 10 times. And after that, relax in Shavasana. After exhalation, drop the hands down and relax. Next practice, hand raise breathing. दोनों हाथ बाजू में लीजिए, दोनों पाँव एक साथ. Now inhale and raise your hands up. Take it on the ground, over the head on the ground. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. And repeat 5 to 10 times with the slow breathing. And then afterwards we have to relax. Next practice is the neck twisting. दोनों हाथ बाजू में रखिए, दोनों पाँव एक साथ, गर्दन सीधी. Now first inhale, and while exhaling, twist your neck to right side. Inhale and bring it up. Exhale and twist to left side. Inhale and up. And we have to do it very slowly and smoothly, without any jerk. And repeat this 5 rounds. Right and left together is 1 round. And then relax. नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस इज स्ट्रेट लेग रेजिंग. दोनों पांव एक साथ रखिए, हाथ बाजू में. नाउ इनहेल एंड रेज द राइट लेग अप. एक्सहेल एंड डाउन. सेम विद द लेफ्ट लेग. इनहेल अप and exhale down. Repeat same with the left leg and right leg, right leg and left leg. Let the breathing be normal, maybe 3 rounds or to 5 rounds. And stop the practice. Relax in Shavasana. नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस इज द पवन मुक्तासन. दोनों पांव एक साथ लीजिए, हाथ बाजू में. फोल्ड राइट लेग, होल्ड राइट नी. एक्सहेल एंड प्रेस. Press the knee down on your abdomen. Inhale and relax. Exhale and press. Inhale and relax. Repeat it 5 times and then change your leg. Same thing with the left leg. Hold the left leg. Exhale and press. Inhale and relax. Exhale and press. Inhale and relax. After 5 rounds, stop the practice. Relax. नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस इज द सेतु बंधासन. दोनों पांव एक साथ लेके फोल्ड कीजिए, हाथ बाजू में. Now inhale and raise your lumbar region up. Exhale and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat it 5 to 10 times. Inhale up, exhale down. And after a round's over, stop the practice and relax in Shavasana. Next practice, folded leg lumbar stretch. First with single leg. Fold the right leg, a left leg straight. दोनों हाथ at the shoulder level, palms on the ground. Now first inhale and then exhale and stretch your right leg. Twist your right leg to right side. Inhale and up. Exhale and twist to right side. Place your knee on the ground. Head to left side. Inhale up. Exhale and twist your spine by taking the right knee to the right side and head to left side. Repeat it 5 times and now change the leg. Exhale and twist. Left knee to the left side and twist your neck to right side. Repeat it 5 to 10 times. And after practice over, relax. Now we can go both legs together. दोनों पांव एक साथ कीजिए, फोल्ड कीजिए. दोनों पांव में थोड़ा अंतर, हाथ फैले हुए. Exhale and twist your spine. दोनों घुटने दाहिनी तरफ, गर्दन बाईं तरफ. Inhale and up. Same thing with the left side. Exhale, twist both knees to left side and head to right side. And repeat it 5 to 10 times. And relax after completion of round. And after this, we have to relax in Shavasana. Simple Shavasana. Sahaja Shavasana. सरल शवासन. संपूर्ण शरीर जमीन पर ढीला छोड़ देना है और पूरा ध्यान अपने पेट के ऊपर. And observe the natural movement of your abdomen. No alteration, no modification. And now slow inhalation and slow exhalation with abdominal movement. Inhale slowly and bulge up your abdomen. Exhale and sink it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat it 5 rounds. And after this phase over, we'll do Omkar sound 3 rounds. Inhale deeply. After 3 rounds of Omkar sound, we have to bring the legs closer. Both hands beside the body. Turn to any one of your sides. And slowly come up. And sit on your bed or on your chair. अपने बेड के ऊपर या अपने चेयर के ऊपर ही बैठ जाना है. And after sitting, make your breathing and pulse comfortable. Bring them in normal position. And then we'll do pranayam practice. First with single nostril Kapalabhati, 20 strokes each, followed by a little relaxation. Next is Sukha Pranayam. Slow inhalation and slow exhalation, if possible with ratio 4-second inhalation, 8 seconds exhalation. 4-second inhalation, 6 or 8 seconds exhalation. If ratio is not possible, then simple inhalation and exhalation, but keep exhalation longer than inhalation. Next is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. That is alternate nostril, slow breathing with no sound. Maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes one can do practice. Followed by Bhramari Pranayam. Chin Mudra mein haath. And then Bhramari Pranayam 5 rounds. And we have to feel that humming sound and vibration getting created by a Bhramari and enjoy the vibration. After 5 rounds of Bhramari, we have to go for 5 rounds Omkar sound. Feel that beautiful vibrations of Omkar. And then keep yourself silent for a couple of minutes. If possible, keep chanting Omkar in the mind. And at the end of this silence, we have to repeat the resolution. आई एम कंप्लीटली हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी। मैं पूर्णतः स्वस्थ एवं आनंदी हूँ। इस संकल्प को अपनी अपनी भाषा में 5 बार गहरी श्रद्धा के साथ रिपीट करना है। And then we have to close our session offering our salutation to Almighty. Namaskar mudra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। And do a nice palming to your eyes. You then massage your face, your upper body, back body, your knee joints, unfold your legs and sit relaxed. And namaskar. We'll meet again tomorrow for the next week's practice. Namaskar.